Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumita. As it is New Year Eve and I was thinking to create something glittery, so I came up with this red glittery smoky eye. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep watching. First I am starting from eye makeup and taking Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Gel Liner I am applying on my eyelid. Then I am taking these two colors from iMagic eyeshadow palette 48 colors and applying on gel liner's edges. Then blending this properly. Now I am taking this color and applying on the top of the gel liner. Then again I am going with the colors and blending all the edges. Now I am taking this color and blending all the edges of inner corner and outer corner. Then I am taking this color and highlighting my brow bone. Therefore, using this color dripping in gold from Makeup Revolution Pressed Glitter Palette Mirror's Touch, I am applying on my eyelid. Then using a wet tissue, I am cleaning all the fallouts. Now I am priming my face using Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer. Then for foundation, I am using NYX Professional Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation Beige and applying all over my face. Then using a damp beauty blender, blending this. Now for concealer, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer Medium and applying under my eyes, bridge of my nose, around lips, on chin and on forehead. Then again blending this all. Now to set this all, I am using PAC Translucent Powder 01. Then I am tightlining my waterline using the gel liner. Then using these two colors, I am smudging my lower lash line. Then taking this color, I am blending the edges. Then using this color, highlighting my inner corner. Then applying Maybelline New York Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara on my lashes. Now to contour my face, I am taking this color from NYX Professional Highlight and Contour Pro Palette and applying on cheekbone, on hairline, on jawline, and on nose. Now for blush, I am taking this color from the palette and applying on cheeks, and on nose. Then to highlight my face, I am using the same color and applying on cheeks, on chin, on nose tip, bridge of my nose, and on forehead. Then for lipstick, first using a brown lip liner, I am lining my lips. Then applying L8 Tint Colourpop's matte lipstick Rockstar Red on the center. Then using lipstick brush, I'm blending these colors. Then spraying Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic Setting Spray. So here is the complete look. Please let me know how is this look by commenting down. And please like, share and subscribe my channel. Wish you all a very happy new year in advance. I hope the coming year brings all the happiness and prosperity to everyone. So see you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.